Well, I guess no skip running, so nobody want to talk. Guess my big brother 23 ain't by the band either. I'm 10-7. All right, I was gonna try to do some local talking, but I guess it's not to be today. Got my new toy, got it off eBay. This Pride DX-300. It's been modified a little bit. It's got the Nomad high voltage and low voltage board in it, but whoever did it. Uh-oh, looks like I saw my needle pin in the corner. Must be my boy 23.
Skip was out here a while ago. Matter of fact, I went into the little barn room. Skip was still rolling. I guess they stopped talking because we stopped talking there, right?
One of my favorite radios.
Damn, BJ. Hey, no, that kid, you still there?
Yeah, I'm here. We just thought we was gonna try to wave our hand and say happy belated Father's Day and happy Juneteenth while we at it.
Hey, man, on that. Pull you out, man. Sound like you on Browning there, right?
Yeah, I'm on a Browning Mark III, and I tried to be like you, 23. What you running, or what you say you running over there, I'm running that too.
What? Don't get rid of it. If you do it, make sure I got full thick there, right?
I got this one for me. These cat niggas is very hard to get nowadays, and it needed a little work, so we did a little work on it, and we got it doing what it's supposed to do, so we gonna keep this one.
Oh, baby, because I love mine I got from you there, right?
You got one of them from me?
Yeah, you talking about Pride?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, you forgot you got it. You forgot you got it,
I forgot. Sure don't remember it. I remember a whole lot of things with you, but I still don't remember a Pride between me and you.
Oh, man. You brought it to the house and everything. Good God almighty, man. Hey, you 2 years younger than me. What's up with you, X-Claw here?
I got too much going on and spinning around up there. Yeah, we hope to have that done by the before fall.
That'll work, man. I like to put that on the Pride, right?
That ought to be a lethal combination. I'll probably do the same with mine.
Yeah, man. That's what I'm banking on, man. All I got is ground plane right now. You know, my flex had it down, so I've been doing pretty good on the ground plane there, right?
Yeah, I've been listening to you, you know, when skip running. You know, I'm so far in the mud on my ground plane that I don't even try to key down. But I've been listening to you. You've been doing real good with that little setup.
I love it, man. These fellows, too. Well, Dr. Blue come over here and got me 10-8. My co-worker messed up. He straightened it out for me, man. And, I've been banging ever since there, right?
Yeah, Dr. Blue, a serious technician. I like the way he do things. He read and he think on stuff. He just don't go out there and throw a screwdriver in it and hope it work right.
Sure don't. He was working on
you say the cat maker didn't leave till he got the job done, that's a professional for you there. He a professional minded and a professional person, and I like that.
I love it, kid. Kid, I love it, man. I love it. I didn't want to press him. I started telling him, man, don't worry about it, man. We tight. Don't worry about it. Nope. Hey, kid, he said about here till he got it right. And he plugged it on up into my white meal, man, and it up and took off. I said, woo-wee. Yeah, I feel your coax. I'm not trying to cook there, are you?
Yep. He got it talking, because I've been listening to you, 23, and you and that little pride been huckabucking.
Yeah, man, I love that little pride, man. Hey, you know, for dog, you let me have it. I don't know about you, kid. Hey, kid, I don't know about you.
Yeah, you know me and you special, but on the other hand, shoot, I was on eBay. I think I had 10,000 transactions, so I can't keep up with all of them, but I shouldn't have forgot about you.
Yeah, well, it happens. But they put it dumped over here? Oh, man. I didn't know you ever forgot about this stuff. Oh, man. And matter of fact, you even let me have an extra tool with it, they good.
Woo-wee. Well, hold on to it. Keep that, because it took me a long time to find another one that I like and I want to keep, and I'm on it now. It's a pretty cat maker, and it came with 2 tubes and had a couple problems, and we worked them problems out, and we got the cat maker key down now on this Mark III we pulled out the closet.
Oh, good, man. Audio. Woo-wee. Boy, that thing got some audio there, are you?
Yeah, oh, thank you. I'm just trying to keep up with my big brother. I'm just trying to put my foot in your shoes, but they don't fit.
Hey, man. I hope ain't nobody here, your BJ here. He gonna dog me. And I tell you about talking like that. I got a little problem out there, right?
Hey, you got good problems. Because my eyes, you still king of the hill, and them cat niggas still coming at you no matter what I say, because of the way you be doing it, 23.
Yeah, I guess so. Hey, man, you a kid a while ago, so, man, you come on out to the party. What a good time Sunday, man. Brother Tree, you remember Brother Tree? Shoot, man, what a Wayne Dane doing, nigga?
Man, I meant to go, and they had a swap in Monroe too, and I got up early, and I wasn't gonna take nothing, but I was gonna go walk around and look, and I got up early, and I said, 23, I ain't feeling so good, so we went back to bed and slept all day.
Oh, you didn't go to the meet down there?
No, I did not.
Oh, man. They used to have some goodies, man. I didn't go. Didn't intend on going. Because when I got the trial from you, that was enough, though, yeah.
Well, 23 with the internet and eBay and Facebook and all that, them swaps ain't what they used to be anyway. I mean, they still fun and all that, and sometimes you can pick up stuff because them hams be getting rid of stuff. Them hams have a Tram or a Pride or a Browning or something, and you ask them how much, they like $50, and you hand them over a 50, and they be smiling like the Cheshire Cat, like, oh man, I got that stupid CB here. I sold that Browning to him for $50.
Yeah, but usually when I run into them, they be pretty good, everything I done got from them so far has been 10-8. I don't think I ever took anything back or had a problem with it. I haven't, now. But the only thing, really, when I had to change the cord in one of them I got a amp, I had to change the cord in because it was on ham, and we switched that cord and she took on there, right?
Yeah. I don't care that much for hams, but I will say, in general, they take better care of their stuff than we do.
Amen on that, man. They still be looking real pretty, man. They sure take good care of it, though. No doubt about that, my brother. Yeah, man, when you get that thing fixed out and put it on the side, man. Woo!
You don't want to go in the mud like me, 23. I'm trying to be like you when I grow up, but I ain't ready to grow up yet. Anyway, we just wanted to wave our hand. Take care, 23. Happy belated Father's Day. And you take care of yourself over there.
Sure appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. Give my love to the queen now. Enjoy yourself, man. I got it one day when this stuff lift up. I gotta get over there and see that 84 inch? I'm gonna stand in the street and look at it there, right here.
That's one of the things we do now. We like that cat maker. 85, 23, we got 85, and like I say, they had the COVID, so they put it in the back of the van, and we didn't even get to look at it. And we pulled it out. You know, I got some help bringing it in, and the sweet thing was like, what if you don't like it? I'm like, well, I'll take it back. I got 30 days. We set it up and plugged it in, set it on the floor because it wouldn't fit on the table, and turned it on. And sweet thing said, she said, we ain't taking this back. I'm just
shame, but I can't go that big. Nah. I can't look at all this what I got. Have a blessed night now. And like you said, late Father's Day, a blessed day, Labor Day coming to you and yours, 4th of July, and all that good stuff. I'll be over there to get that product.
That's okay. You be sneaking in my back door, and I'm gonna sneak in yours. 23 out there, so. All right. That's gonna be it on my latest toy, Pride DX-300. It's got a I put a 4CX250R in it. Let me turn it off while I'm leaning over the top of this thing, and it's got the Nomad boards in it. It's been C-Beerized, or should I say mono banded. It's 10 through 15 meters only, no band switch, and no coils and tank tuning for the 20, 40, 80 meters. It's got just the 10 meter coil in it only, and a couple other components have been upgraded on it. And it also will take a 8930 tube, which is a higher power tube. You can see it's bigger than that 4CX250, a little wider, and it's got a socket for it, but it had problems with it when I first got it. Whoever put the Nomad boards in it didn't hook up the bias right, so this thing was running Class A, meaning full bore all the time, so it was overheating and had problems. So we found that before we plugged it in, and it had a 25 amp fuse in it. It normally takes a 10, so we saw that 25 amp fuse in it, so we went through it before we plugged it in. And as you can tell, we got it right. It's got the non-factory blower on there. Somebody put that big blower on there. It doesn't make too much noise. It doesn't just chug like the regular Pride DX-300 does, but not modded up, not hacked up too much, but not stock either, and it does what it's supposed to do. We turned it off now, but it's got the bias on the front instead of the band switch, and the Nomad board got dual bias. You can it's got the bias for the 4CX250 tube, and then there's a switch in the back, or a push button in the back, and you push the button and it sets the bias for the 8930 tube. And also you can still vary the bias on the front here. That's connected to a pot 9. You can turn the bias up and down, and the bias will basically turn your dead key up and down, almost kind of like a poor man's dial-a-watt in the way. But I don't like to play with the bias too much. People talking about zero dead key. Nobody wants to dead key 0. We just don't like high dead keys. I think then I had the bias up, and it was dead keying about 300, swinging to 500 on average. It'll do about 700 peak, and you can take the dead key down to about 50, and from 50 it'll swing to about 450 average and do about 6 peak. And that's what the bias turned down. But again, I don't plan on letting this one go unless somebody gonna give me some yellow table money, which means that I want an extremely high price if I'm gonna let this one go, because I like it. Been looking for one, a decent one, in a long time. It's not perfect, but I'm happy. This is good enough. Tram Doctor's happy today. And the shipping on it, the guy shipped it pretty well too. So something on eBay worked out for me. Alright, that's it for this one. Oh, venerable, infamous Pride DX-300. Bye.